Here's the replacement, and we'll just take this little twist tie off. Okay, so then we can just drop that in anywhere. Straighten out your cable, and then put this through the hole. And then, okay, so we take this cap from this fitting over here. I don't know if you want to come around. Okay, so then we put, okay, if you're having problems with the grommet, don't worry about it, because this cable is a little bit thicker than the original, and if you tighten this up, it will actually seal it, and you can't even pull it through. So that would just simplify it a little bit more for you. Okay, so then we just want to kind of take our excess cable, kind of line it up here, and then got like a little zip tie here that'll hold it. And then take your wires from the cell. This is the wires from the control, and even though this one's like red and black and these are both black, it does not matter. Just plug them in. But also note, to get the maximum from your cell, just come in here like once a month and reverse these leads, because that reverses the polarity on the cells, which will make them last longer. And then we're ready. Okay, so we got our cell down here and the filters, and we're going to go over here.